Welcome, it's Denson DIY, and today we're unboxing the
Lifesmart 16-inch oscillating fan. So this is a fan that Mama got for a Christmas present, and so we need to get it set up and built for her. So be sure to stick along because we'll give you our tips and show you what we found as we were setting it up, and this will be applicable to other oscillating fans as well. My son gets everything laid out and set up. I'm going to find the instructions to make sure that we hit every step at least the way they suggested. And then we'll let you know if we come across anything that's unique, which we do for sure. The first thing is this instruction booklet flips backwards. So it doesn't open properly. And step one, right out of the gate, instead of groove, we have grower. So for the remainder of the video, know that these grooves right here, it's an L groove, snap into the base to give you your footings. We did take out some tools in anticipation of needing that for this fan. This fan was completely toolless. So as we follow along, you'll notice you need zero tools. No screwdrivers, no nothing. You just need to be able to twist, turn, and tighten.
Sorry, lickies.
Having a second set of hands handy came in really convenient. So somebody could hold up this cover while I tighten down the stem. Having the cat in the way, on the other hand, didn't help or hurt, but she enjoyed helping build with us.
Licorice, you could help.
While we continue to tighten everything down, we wanted to ask, do you use a fan or a white noise at night to help you sleep? That's the point of this fan. So, son's mom likes to have a fan in the background while she's sleeping. So that's the whole reason we're getting this set up, and that's why she got it for a Christmas present, is to replace one that started to burn out. So hopefully we can get this set up and done so that she has it to get a better night's sleep. So you tighten down the motor to the extension. You got to go ahead and get these different pieces off at the top to be able to put the shroud and the fan blade on. So we're going to get those unscrewed, and then we're going to grab this back part of the shroud. Now please note, on our model, there's a couple different holes that line up to tabs that are on the fan motor, and you're going to want to make sure those are lined up correctly so that way you can screw down this plastic nut tight. Once that's done, it's time to grab the actual fan or the blade, and you'll notice on there's some growers or grooves that line up with the metal stem here, and you're going to want to make sure that those click and lock so that way you can tighten down the fan properly.
putting the cover on was a little bit hard because it wasn't lining up right. So we just used a butter knife or whatever you have that would work for that, and then put it on.
So once we got the cover finally on and locked into those tabs, we plugged it in, fired it up, and it actually is really smooth. So we hope you enjoyed, and if you did,
Please consider liking and subscribing.
thanks a lot. Take care.
Have a great day.